What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel again. Today, I will be doing a little review about a new exchange. It's called BTCC. It's similar to BitUNix. The other one, if you've watched other videos of me, you've seen me using that. I did receive a couple of comments about a few downsides of BitUNix, a few bonuses that BTCC has as opposed to BitUNix. Obviously, BitUnix has some benefits this one doesn't have, but I've used multiple exchanges throughout the years. I've BitGet, Binance, Bybit, whatever. I've used several. BTCC is a new one. I've not actually live traded with it yet, but I wanted to do a short review about it. Maybe you'd like to use it. One of the benefits it does has is that it also allows for demo trading, which especially for beginners, I applaud. I definitely recommend you, if you want to trade on an exchange like this with leverage, then always try demo trading first. It's a great way to learn the mechanics, learn what you're doing, uh, and enables you to test your strategies or certain trades you'd like to take. Yeah, and it's just safer. It doesn't require risking you risking any live money, and if you lose it, you don't lose any actual money. So obviously, I'm a big fan of it and using it, and I'll use it in this video. And yeah, I'll just go through the functions, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, so here we are. Also, for the people who are paying attention, you'll notice that the background is something different than the Bitcoin chart this time. I figured with Christmas coming, it'd be fun to change the background every now and then. So there's just a little side thing I've been messing around with. So for now, it's Christmas in Paris, and I'll switch it up throughout all the videos, and maybe I'll drop a hint in there as well, something fun in the future. All right, back to the video. So this is BTCC as opposed to BitUnix, which I've been using before. Like I said, there's some benefits to BitUnix I like, and there's some benefits to BTCC which I really like. My recommendation, my it's not advice, but my recommendation is if you like both benefits, just use both. I mean, split some funds, use both. Uh, it's always handy to not keep all your funds on one exchange. Keeping funds on an exchange in general isn't a very good idea. We can always see that these exchanges go bankrupt or they block you from withdrawing your money. It's always good to spread your money around and yeah, use multiple. And I'm thinking about actually using this one as well. So yeah, you can follow along with me basically. So there's a few benefits to BTCC specifically. First few will be that it currently offers a deposit bonus of up to 10%. I've not deposited yet, but I've seen people being paid with it, so pretty sure it's legit. They also recently started offering up to 500x leverage. This is a huge amount. I don't recommend starting out with 500x leverage. I'd recommend building up to it. Just start slowly, and if you're in profit, start increase it. If you can, you'll be able to keep it open longer. You'll be able to scale in and out, and play around with it a little bit. But 500x very risky. If it works out, it can work out really well. It does not require KYC for the basic functions. On the higher leverages, then yeah, it will require it. Also, you can see it here to access BTCC's full services, which includes fiat deposits. So if I click fiat deposit, verify identity now. So I just created my account. So yeah, it's asking me to verify. I will verify, but if you don't want to do that, yeah, you can just ignore that and go back. You can do crypto deposit. And crypto deposits you can do, and you can just deposit sorry, deposit and withdraw crypto uh, across several networks. Just pick a cheap one. I wouldn't pick ERC, but like across Solana or even Tron network or BNB. BNB is also one I use regularly still. A bit of last bull runs network really, but I still use it because I like it. It's easy and I've still got a lot of funds in trust wallets. So, but yeah, you can basically pick and choose which you want to use. You can convert your cryptos uh, if you want to. There's the markets they feature. Obviously, it's more than this. You can like they have several sections. You can choose BTC, bot, and AI. Metaverse layer one, two, etc., etc. Futures. Now, there's another benefit they have. You can trade against USDT. So when you close a trade, you will be paid in USDT. Or what you also could do is uh, coin per coin per futures, which basically means if you're trading, let's say Solana, and you're in a trade, you're in profit, and you want to close and take some profits. If you close the trade, you will be paid in Solana as opposed to USDT. Now, why is this useful? If you hold Solana and you want to increase your Solana holdings, trade, do some daily trading or swing trades, and you will just do those to increase your Solana holdings with the thought of Solana itself also going up in value in the future. So this is a way to basically maximize your overall profits if you expect Solana to go up. And it's similar for XRP, LTC, Ethereum, BTC, ADA. Uh, Obviously, it's a short list at this point, but I expect these lists to go up. It's a rather new exchange, so yeah, eventually they will likely start to offer more coins for this. But it's a nice feature to have. Especially, I like Solana, so I might actually use this to increase my Solana if I open a trade on it. So that's basically the coin and futures. And then we have the copy trading. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because copy trading, it rarely works. Like if you copy a person like this who's already up 40%, you've missed his profits. Basically, you'll get in late. You will make a loss. He will make profit. Sometimes you make a little bit of profit before it tanks. I've had very bad experiences with it, and I don't use it. I'd recommend not to use it actually. Um, I mean, it could work out, but honestly, you'd be better off trading yourself, especially in a bull market like this. I wouldn't use it, or at least be very cautious about using it. Um, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say on that. They have spot trading, which is also very handy. If you, like I've said before, you want to increase your Solana, you just want to buy some more Solana, you can do that. You can buy Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even Sand. I had not expected that because yeah, Sand is a relatively old token in the crypto world, a gaming token. I like the profit. I like the project back in the day. Uh, I've yet to see it basically rise to new highs though. So I'm wondering if the gaming market will make a comeback. And if you have any thoughts about that, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Uh, maybe you can teach me something as opposed to me teaching you something. So here's some benefits. Exclusive to new users, get $10. So if you verify, you get $10. If you deposit your first money, you get a little, and yeah, all the way up to basically they have some random campaigns, VIP program. If you use my link, you should also be made VIP, so that's also a nice added benefit. Referral, if you invite some friends, you'll get some kickback from them, and if they start to trade, you actually make a little bit of money on their trades as well. So it's a great incentive to get more people to join. I don't know how long these benefits will last. So yeah, if you do intend to use them, I just send them out, and yeah, maybe it'll earn you some money as well. Obviously, I've got my link to this platform as well. It's in the description below if you'd like to use it. You get some extra deposit bonuses, and you would even be able to you will gain some VIP status. So yeah, it could be very handy. And if you're gonna use multiple exchanges, I mean, why not? It's a free link, and yeah, you can choose to use it or not. You can also just join in on your own, but you'll lose out on some benefits. So that's basically the basic benefits I wanted to mention. And one more, which I really like, is the demo training. So they have it just linked here. Switching to demo training, and here we are. So I wanted to get on this. So let's say I have a trade currently in a small loss on BitUniX, which is done. Oh, it's actually in profit as we're speaking. So yeah, we have Ton Coin, we have our trading bar, and we have 50x leverage, which I think is too high to start out with. Obviously, I'd say let's just start out with 5. Just start low. Always use limit orders. I've said it in other videos. I'll say it again. Market orders will cost you a lot of money. Uh, while an ad plays in the background, which I had not noticed. But market orders will always start to cost you money. I wouldn't use them. Just stick to the limit orders, because limit orders will also guarantee you the lowest fees. If during these high volume times, it could very well happen that uh, sometimes these fees, these volumes, the gas fees spike, and you end up paying way too much to either open or close your trade. So just use limit orders. Enables you to set a price. You can set your trades in advance. You can put them higher, lower, wherever you want. So let's say price is up a little bit now, but let's say we pick the top here. Copy price 6.559. It's not really playing ball with me. All right, so here we are back. I had a little difficulty. For some reason, it was not allowing me to post the price. But here we are again. I'm posting the price. Let's say we want to, obviously, because we have 100K free for trading, let's say we want to stick to 200 ton. Let's just buy along. On the current price, pick the current price just for the trading purposes. But normally I'd put it, obviously I'd put it a little bit below. Let's say we buy along, and it's once again, it's not allowing me. There we go. There we go. 5x, and it trades is posted. So now we have the trade open, current price, and it's pending. So now we have our trade open, and we'll just wait and see. I won't do an in-depth trading video because the video was running pretty long already. I have another video explaining the more in depth on trading. It's on my channel, actually, Trading 101 Part 1. I might do a Part 2 and 3 if people want to, if they have questions or whatever. But yeah, this is basically the review, short review of BTCC. I mean, I like it so far because it's almost identical to other platforms. One big downside, though, is that it's cross margin and not isolated margin. Uh, Obviously, this requires a good stop loss and good risk management. It's something to take into account that it will use your entire futures account. And if it does get liquidated, you will lose all the money in your futures account. So that is something to definitely be aware of, know what you're doing. But the demo account enables you to practice that. So obviously this is a very good way to teach yourself how to trade, to know what you're doing, and do it in a safe environment, controlled environment. So yeah, I definitely recommend using that, or just starting out with spot, do some spot buys before you're doing anything crazy with 500x leverage. One more thing, the position mode. You can use multiple position modes. So if you use order mode, I put it on here earlier. Standard, it's on hedge mode, but if you use order mode, you can have multiple orders of a futures contract. Orders will not be combined. This was a big downside to BitUNix because it combines all your future orders, if they have different leverage, etc. It combines, it averages out into one trade. So if you want to open multiple trades on the same token, both long and short term, you need BTCC. Yeah, BTCC. Sorry, because BitUnix will combine them, and it won't. Yeah, you can close partials, but you'll have to calculate it, and you don't want to do that. For if you want to combine the two, I'd recommend using this exchange. It's a little bit more advanced. It's a little bit more difficult, but it does feature some beginner tools as well. They have short tutorials. I clicked those away for the video, but they have some short tutorials. They have some infographics, and the best part is they often offer demo trading, which I've seen very rare, very few crypto exchanges do that. So yeah, it's definitely an added benefit. And for now, I'll keep it on it. We've opened the trade. It's open. I'll leave it and maybe use it in some other video. Yeah, that's it. That was basically the point of the video, guys. I will do a short look at Bitcoin yet, BTC, and this is against the dollar, not USDT. So yeah, we are just below the 100K still. It seems to be going sideways from here. By the looks of it, still a little up. So my personal guess is that we are going to see that 100K being touched this year, or reached. Touched sounds a little weird, but yeah, I definitely think. I mean, it's basically one big candle spike away. And the last times I made these videos and talked about it possibly reaching it, while I was uploading those videos, we each time we hit those targets. So yeah, maybe we'll we'll have a repeat of that. I'd like to see it happen. You would like to see it happen as well, I think. Yeah. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, it'll help me out a bunch, and it'll allow me to make more videos like this. And yeah, if other than that, I want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.